review video. And today we will be talking about this. This is mobile gimbal called iSteady X from company named Hohem. This is one of the lightest mobile gimbal available for phones. You can get this gimbal from Amazon for $80. I will make sure to put the link in the description box below. So without further ado, let's open this box and check if this gimbal is any good. Let's see what comes inside the box. We have a small manual. Then this is the gimbal. Looks really neat. Then one small tripod, one USB charging cable, one wrist strap. And is there anything else? Oh, a carrying case and a little bit bigger manual. Well, first impressions. Gimbal looks nice. It's all plastic but doesn't feel like cheap plastic. Kind of sturdy as well. I like this design. It's very compact and a lightweight too. I think I can even fit this in a pocket. Yep, it fits very easily. We can open this up. All 3-axis movement is smooth. This is a 3-axis gimbal which is supposed to provide a buttery smooth footage. First I'm going to charge the battery. The battery is supposed to last for 8 hours, which is more than enough for a one-day shoot if you're traveling somewhere. And it gets fully charged within just 2 hours. Now I have this iPhone 12, but this gimbal is capable of carrying a load of almost any smartphone out there. So let's put this phone and now let me turn it on. And you can see it had some non-traditional design, due to which you can get a clear view even if you use the wide angle lens. To start this up, we just have to install Hohem Pro app, and then app will guide you what you have to do. It is very easy to connect, and I already connected and it is activated. Ooh, looks good. It has these 2 buttons in the front along with a joystick, zoom buttons on one side and a charging port on another side. And over here is the battery indicator, which says now our battery is 2/3 maybe. Joystick control feels really smooth. Up, down, left, right. Awesome. Now let's go out to some park and check out how smooth this gimbal is, because a room is not a good place to review a gimbal. And there are many things we can do using this app. There are many features. So we'll talk about those features as well. Let's begin simply. I'm going to walk straight and record the footage, once with gimbal and once without gimbal. And by seeing this footage side by side, I can definitely say the Hohem footage is much better, much smoother. But the phone also does a pretty good job of stabilizing the image. So now let's up the challenge. Now I'm going to run. While running, you can see the phone does a terrible job in stabilizing the image. But the gimbal, it's smooth. See the horizon on the back and how stable it is. It had some cool features such as auto object tracking or auto face tracking. For that I'm going to set up a gimbal on a tripod here, which is very easy, and then track the face. We just have to turn on the auto face tracking in the app and select the face we want to track. And it does an amazing job of identifying and tracking the face in all directions. A handy feature for solo content creators. Now one downside I can see here is camera movements are pretty jerky. It is able to detect the face and keep the face in the frame, but it could be much smoother. There is a panoramic mode that records in all directions around you with smooth video. There is a gesture control as well. Again, you have to turn that on in the app, and then when you raise the hand, it will take a picture or it will start the video depending on which mode you are in. If you want to take some low angle shots, then you just have to bring it down like this and it automatically detects the phone position and rotates like this. So you can go ahead and take your shot. Then there is a mode called Inception. This one is my favorite. In this mode, the gimbal will rotate automatically by 180 degree or 360 degrees while recording the video, and if you put some music on it, it creates mesmerizing footage. Another mode is fantastic rotation, where camera moves according to music. Then my another favorite mode, dolly zoom. In this you have to move backward while camera will keep zooming in, and it creates this amazing view. You must have seen it in movies. Now because it's a digital zoom, that's why the quality will get worse as the shot progresses, but still able to capture that is pretty huge. The control is quite easy. With one button, you can switch between portrait or landscape mode, and also with just a single button, you can switch between video and photo mode. Overall, iSteady X is an awesome gimbal. The app works flawlessly and it has many cool features. And the fact you can get it for such a low price makes this one of the best gimbals for people who use their phone for shooting videos. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So that's all for today, and I will see you in the next one.